Warning weather.
All right, we have a couple of dry days before our high-impact storm. This is one, of course, a nor'easter coastal storm that's going to be heading up in our direction. Certainly, we have confidence that it will have some sort of role on our Friday night, Saturday into Saturday night. But to what extent, we still need to iron out those details. Certainly, moderate to heavy snow is on the table. Certainly a possibility that would lead to poor visibility. There's also going to be the potential for a gusty wind. Also for some coastal flooding with the upcoming high tide cycle. So the window of time really it ramps up after midnight Friday night, gets going toward, say, daybreak Saturday, and it won't be until well after sunset on Saturday evening that it begins to taper off and wind down. So what has changed since this time yesterday, even since this morning? There's a shift east in the tracks. That means we may miss out on the heaviest of the snow and as well the strongest of the wind. So here's the European model, 7 o'clock on Friday evening, showing the storm center coming off the mid-Atlantic coast. If you remember yesterday, by, say, 7 p.m., the storm center, indicated by these closed circles, was farther to the west. It was right over Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket. So a little bit farther to the southeast for us means, again, the strongest of the wind and as well the heaviest of the snow shifts east from Connecticut across, say, southeastern portions of Massachusetts, the Cape and Islands. Then as we head Saturday night into Sunday morning, the storm lifts away, conditions improve. Sunday features a lot of sunshine. So that's a bit of a shift with the European model. The GFS remains fairly consistent with a track farther offshore, certainly bringing snow to Connecticut Friday night into Saturday morning throughout the day on Saturday. But notice the western extent of the snow very much, near northwest Connecticut and the Berkshires as we head throughout the day on Saturday and Saturday night. So this is why there could be a sharp gradient with snowfall totals across Connecticut from east to west. So, just a minor shift by 20, 30, 40 miles dictates a lot of what unfolds here in Connecticut. So we'll keep you updated again as new information comes in. Still have a window of time to fine-tune the forecast and still plenty of time to get some preparation underway because tomorrow, like today, will feature a lot of sunshine, but it won't be as windy. 24 right now, our temperature in our capital cities. We're capturing the sun beginning to set. Our view from New Haven showing the wind blowing around, of course, rather gusty today. Down into the upper teens in Salisbury, 24 again, Hartford, Willimantic, Meriden. We've got 25, 26 along the 95 corridor, but that northwesterly wind between 10 and 20 miles an hour, making it feel more like the teens and even single digits. So if you have plans to take it out and about this evening, dress accordingly in the layers. But as the night progresses, that wind will be subsiding in tandem with a diminishing wind. We've got the clear sky, and that will allow temperatures to drop into the single digits, perhaps even below zero in the usual colder spots of northwest Connecticut, between 5 and 10 along the Connecticut shoreline. Tomorrow features a lot of sunshine for our Thursday by the afternoon. Again, not as windy as today, a much calmer wind, mostly sunny, 25 to 30 across the state. Then for Friday, we are going to see a lot of cloud cover, perhaps some isolated snow showers. But again, the main event comes after midnight Friday into early Saturday morning. Behind this system on Saturday, looking for brighter weather on Sunday, breezy, highs only in the 20s. And then next week, look at that, a nice warming trend. 32 on Monday, 36 on Tuesday. Then by Wednesday, we could see temperatures, say 40 degrees or higher for shoreline highs this weekend, 20s for both days.
40s. It's going to feel like